I'm still exploring Georgia, so this time I'm going to explore Telavi. Then I will visit two monasteries. One of the monastery is about 20 kilometers away from Telavi. Then I will go back to Sighnaghi. All those events will be in one same day. So this is the giant tree. So you can compare with the house over there. It's so huge. Good morning from Telavi. Today I'm going to go to the Telavi fortress and maybe other things also. So this is the fortress. So now I'm on my way to Nadikvari Park. It's set on top of the hill, but it's not that high. We can see a beautiful view of the Telavi city. So the bus to Ikalto also depart. The same bus station as Nadikvari. Now I'm waiting for the bus to depart. So the bus will go till Alaverdi. I will go to Alaverdi first, then when I come back, I will go to Ikalto. The bus stopped just in front of the Alaverdi Monastery. It took about 30 minutes, so it's very easy. Now let's entering this place. And the bus will pass this place again at 1. Now it's 11:30. I have 1 hour 30 minutes, yes. The minibus from Telavi to Alaverdi, it costs only 3 lori. This may be cemetery. Alaverdi Monastery was built in 11th century by the 13th Assyrian father who played a pivotal role in spreading Orthodox Christianity throughout Georgia. And now it's 12. I already finished exploring the monastery, but the bus will come at 1. Maybe I will walk to go to the Ikalto. From here to Ikalto is about 10 kilometers. So from Alaverdi Monastery to Ikalto, I got a hitchhike with this truck. There is a problem with the car. The smoke coming from that. The problem is solved very quickly. I'm going to find the monastery in Ikalto. I think that also one the church. I think this used to be the monastery. This is the monastery. From the main road to Ikalto Monastery, it's about 1.5 kilometers. So the easiest monastery to reach is Alaverdi Monastery because the bus stopped just in front of the monastery. I'm in Telavi again. The minibus from Ikalto to Telavi, it costs 2 lori. Now I will go back to the hostel and then pick up my bag and then come back to here to go back to Sighnaghi. So from Caulavbani to Sighnaghi, I got Hitchhike with this man. I didn't even ask him, but he offered me. Very nice. And finally, I'm arrived again in Sighnaghi. And now I'm walking to Sofia guest house. And this is the Sofia guest house. The share room costs 15 lori per night. Then I go to my favorite restaurant. Beef soup. Cheese king. I have this yummy Georgian food. Then I go back to the guest house. To my surprise, the owner of the guest house already prepared treats for us with homemade wine, homemade cheese, and homemade kinkali. And these are my beautiful roommates. And this man is the owner of the guest house. I will spend 5 days in Sighnaghi due to Armenia visa. What I do is sightseeing and cooking with my roommate. Yeah, it's look okay. So this is the result. But look different.